So if you want to put fridge freezer pumps, you can use it during the counter too, yeah? Are you still in business? It goes to our website to get your information. Good. How much is it? The whole job installed, we are looking at $18,000 to $23,000.
To 23,000.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So today we are at the Mukilteo Lighthouse Festival. It's the third day. We are here with some generators and some transfer switches. We had a great time. We had so many customers that had questions about different transfer switches, different generators. We had electricians here that were that had questions about these transfer switches that are combined with the meter base and transfer switch. Here is a 26 kilowatt air cooled and the other one is a 10 kilowatt. So that's the range, 10 to 26 kilowatt. Next year we are going to have 28 kilowatt too. And we are having another show in the Seattle home show. Next week we are going to be there with the new generation generators too, which are slightly different in design. The one that was revealed on Nashville this January, we were there too, so we have another video about those generators, but we're going to have a more detailed video next week. So here we have service rated 200 amp with the surge protector device, the 100 amp with 16 circuits. This one is a 200 amp with separated breakers. The top part doesn't get the power from the generator and the bottom part does. And this one is for the whole home meter base combined with the transfer switch. And next week we're going to be at the Seattle home show, downtown Seattle, with the new generation generator that is that's going to be delivered this week. So we're going to have it for that show. Here we had the regular old style air-cooled Generac generators. The new generation has this slightly different design. It looks more beautiful. There are some more technical changes on the generators. We're going to show you next week when we are at the other show.